Now we're inside another market. This one is across the road from the one I just took a video of. And under here, there's all kinds of meat. I mean, every kind of meat conceivable that's edible. Of course, nothing weird. You know, just normal meat like chicken and beef and pork. But this place is huge. Now look at this thing. It looks like an airplane hangar. Yeah, that's rust. It's kind of gnarly looking, but it's actually an amazing building. And it's huge. I mean, it's hard to, I can maybe see up there, you can see it. This is an amazing market. I mean, you've got everything here. Everything from noodles to spices, sea cucumber. I mean, they've got everything here. Oh, here's something interesting. This is alcohol. 52%, 60% alcohol, 62%. I mean, it'll make you go blind, but it'll go down nice. Man. Wow, so incredible. I'm in people's way here. Because this is a market, you know, so when I'm walking around videoing and people trying to get around me, they're not too happy. That's all right. Chinese people overall are very polite once you get to know them. If you don't know Chinese culture, then at first you may think they're really rude, but actually they're not. This is dried shrimp. Small ones, of course, bigger ones. I don't know what that, oh, it looks like little squids. This is some sort of dried, seaweed, I think. Of course, Dalian is known for its seaweed. Hello, 你好, hello. 好吃吗？那个是海鲜吗？海带。海带。哦 ，OK， 海带。
裙带菜。
OK。
你看。
海带，谢谢 ，Thank you。海带 is seaweed。谢谢你啊，谢谢。OK，seaweed yes。
来了这个。
Mushroom no thank you。哇。
特别好吃。
对，特别好吃。She says it's really delicious. Yeah, I'm sure they are. 谢谢 ，Thank you very much。蘑菇 ，mushrooms and so fascinating. Walnuts, cashews. I don't know what those things are. I forget what you call these things. Anyway, doesn't matter. Yeah, and lots of bartering going on. The guy just said, "Hey, is 20 okay?" 20行吗? Which means 20 renminbi okay. So we're in the dried seafood area. So I better go find Renee here. But look at this market. I mean, it's huge. It looks like an airplane hangar. I'm wondering if it was built at one time to be a train station. But sorry, I hit somebody, but they don't say sorry. They don't care. I mean, it's just normal. Like I said before, it's people bump into you. It's kind of a normal thing. You just sort of move on, don't say anything. But I like to say something. But I mean, look at this place. It's wild. Kind of falling apart. I feel like I need a tetanus shot walking around this building.
I go to buy some dried fish.
Dried fish? Okay, go buy dried fish. She's gonna go buy some dried fish. Oh yeah, sausages. I wouldn't eat them. I'd have to be starving before I eat them. Oh wow, there's lots of people here. What is it? Pork? Okay, you go buy. Actually, these are really good. I've eaten these. They're like little salty fish. I don't know if they're sardines or what they are. I don't ever eat sardines ever, but wow. Huge lineup. People are going crazy. Usually when people are lined up and going nuts at one place, you want to try it because it must be delicious. Wow, big sausages. Wow. Love this place. So fascinating. It's about a 20-minute walk, 25-minute walk from my place. There's some sort of small restaurant here. Let me see if I can. Oh, they got some dried fish. Okay. Something weird that came out of the ocean. I don't know. They're not. These things are not dates. They're juju. I think in Chinese. I don't know what you call them, but anyway, yeah. These big balsa. Let's see here. People are walking. Balsa. Inside, probably pork. This one over there looks like it's got vegetable in it. Oh yeah, this is egg, jiu tai, jian. jiu tai, jidan is egg, jiu tai 是你好 They're laughing at me because I'm taking a video. Jiu tai is like leek and jidan is egg. So leek onion dumplings or balsa is really good. That's my favorite. They often put a little shrimp inside. I'll eat the shrimp. I'm not really a seafood person, but anyway, this video is getting long, so I'm going to quit it. But again, another amazing market. They're everywhere. This is a little bit special, but these wet markets, these normal markets, whatever a normal market is, they're ubiquitous. They're everywhere in China, and certainly here in Dalian is not an exception. Some more alcohol area. Wow. Bai Jiu. That last character there, that's Jiu, which means liquor. Wow. So, welcome to Dalian. Come to China. Come visit. It's really worth seeing all these off-beaten paths, walking up and down the main road in the city. Well, you're not going to see the real China. You're going to see the real China by visiting places like this. Okay, goodbye for now.